Welcome class to Meganomics 101. Today's Beauty Vice lesson is on how to restore bent false eyelashes. Let's get started because class is in session. So you bent your eyelash. What to do, what to do? Throw it away? No, we've got a way to fix it. So we're going to hold it where it's attached to the adhesive, and I'm going to take my tweezer and I'm going to lightly squeeze on the bent part back into the direction of the other lashes. And then I'm going to take a hot towel and use the steam of the hot water and the hot towel and lightly press it on to the lash. And what that steam's going to do is going to release that kink in that eyelash. After I've done that, I've probably flattened my lash. So I'm just going to take it in my fingers and just mold it. And now this eyelash is back to its good old self. Don't throw it away. It can still be used till the end of the night, then throw it away. And that is how you fix a bent false eyelash. Class dismissed.